I wanna heat out your hole and heat out your hole and make it one of the spray. And look me in my face and look me in my face and then you ride my face. I just wanna heat you better than we can. Gonna do this over. Eternal, baby, I've been wasting time and I'm wasting time when you could make me eat you all day. I'm gonna treat you better. Oh, that's all, baby.
Oh my God, that was so heartfelt.
So you know, pussy felt.
Yes.
You touch a pum pum.
Huh?
You touch a pum pum.
Felt.
No, me I say if you touch a pum pum.
Felt.
So we could have fucked then.
No.
Why?
Not yet. Me have to tell you what would I do to you.
You love to me. Sing a song.
Good pussy bring joyous, and every time it see your kitty get wet, hands to toe bend over that he done say, have a ball then relax with the wine red. Yeah, I chew me have the tightest, and at the body even you can deny this. Have we body and the vibes intertwining, every kiss, every touch, every moment. I love the way you take me down, how you take me down, how you take me down with you, how you take me down, how you take me down. You like that one day?
Yeah, but you should have turned it around. Why you not turn it around?
None of the day.
Oh, sit down, sit down back, baby. Sit down.